Yo, what's up, guys? So today on this video we have Pestle Beach. Hallelujah. Oh. It's flowers. Alright, so today on this video, it's our first time seeing the update. And it's our birthday tomorrow.
It's awesome sauce.
Shush, I'm talking. Okay, it's her birthday tomorrow, so say happy birthday to her on the comments. And thank you guys for 140 subscribers. Let's go. Alright, so what do you like the new map about?
What I like the new map about?
Yeah.
To be honest, to be honest, I don't really know.
So they added the day and morning, so it's going to be night. Oh, my fault.
The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf. Oh! I'm not doing that again, bro.
Alright, so do you know the state 6, right?
Did you know that I can disappear in a millisecond?
Magic! Oh my god, magic!
Watch this. Abracadabra.
Alright, do you know state 6,
Get
right?
that out of here.
Do you know state
What?
6? Do you know state 6,
Yeah.
right? Guess what? I have good news. Follow me. Follow me.
How am I gonna follow you if I'm floating?
Just give me a second.
Fly away. Hope you don't have to pop the balloons to get down here.
Alright, come on.
And
Come on.
just-
Are you coming? Oh yeah, guys, you're going to add the backroom update? Help me. Please.
Let's go.
Oh, wait, hold on. But first, I need to show you. I need to give you a birthday.
Can I get on your back because it's kind of hard to walk when I'm sitting on my bed.
This is an unreleased item. Prom
Whoa!
juice.
What does that do?
I don't want to know. Put it back.
Do you have the thing where I can get on your back?
Human saddle? Yeah.
Yeah, the saddle. And let me just have fun because I'm gay.
What? Excuse me. Alright, guys. So, do you know the state 6, right? It was closed for a while, and you know.
Boing, boing,
You know?
boing,
Alright. So
Boing.
welcome.
boing, boing.
So this is the lab. You can change your clothes.
Whoa!
They added the dragon bundle. I need to buy that, but I'm broke. The anniversary
all
bundle is
broke.
still here. $67.
Is that
Guys.
$50?
No, for me it's $67. Bro, Animal Company.
Mine says 40. Mine says 49.
Mine says $67.99.
49.99.
Mine says $67.99. But whatever.
So is it at
So-
68?
So look, the stage. But you have to get off on
Creative
this part.
Studios.
You have to get off on this part.
Get back on the part though.
I get on. Alright, ready? Close your eyes. We have
My
a
eyes
second.
are closed.
But first, you wanna check out the soccer? They added the soccer.
Sure. But I already know about the soccer. I already done it.
Alright, ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Hallelujah. 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 Now you can open your eyes.
Whoa!
This was closed, but they added.
It's so gay.
Okay, bro. Ready? Close your eyes on this part. This is
My eyes are closed.
now 3, 2, 1. Open.
Whoa.
They added the cooking update. The state 6.
Let
Oh,
him cook now. I said let.
he He does nothing. Trust me. Look.
Don't let him cook. Don't let him cook.
So this guy
Don't let him cook.
made the thing. His name is
Parker VR.
Parker VR. Galaxy creator. Company dinner, whatever. But yeah. So they added the cooking.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down.
Creed! Creed! A grenade!
A grenade! Take your camera. Let me get back
No.
on your back. Let me
So,
get back on your
wait.
back.
Guys, so they add a bat.
Is that a tomato?
But you cannot pick it up though.
Get back here.
So
Beyond.
yeah, so how do you
I'm
like
on.
these State 6?
It looks awesome. It seems like it would be something for someone to be gay in.
Okay. Yo, it works. Yeah, totally. I told you. I told ya. Be quiet.
You're gay.
Okay, bro. Alright, so how do you like these State 6?
Where'd the chair go?
So, what's up, Greg? How you doing? So yeah, so how do you like these State 6? I said, how do you like
I
these
like
State
it.
6?
I like it. Stage 7, 6, 7.
2026, seriously. You know what? Stay here. Stay here for a sec. Stay here. Just stay here. Just stay there for a sec. What? Bruh. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder. What the hell? Yo. Yo, what? Yo. On my map, it says flower. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, I see you. I see you. I'm Nightmare Freddy. I don't feel so good. I'm Nightmare. Yo. But yeah, guys. I'm Nightmare Freddy. I'm Nightmare Freddy.
Hey, man, murder me.
$2026.
You little jack. You gay twink.
But yeah, guys. So what I was talking
Seriously, how
about?
do I get out?
Oh, bro. Oh my God, bro. The better choice is. Hold on. Better choice is. It's so lame. The better choice.
Teleport gun.
The better choice is. Get away, get away. The better choice is to go there and just die. Die. And... Did I die? Bro!
Oh, you killed yourself. Killed yourself.
Hey, you
That's
trying
funny.
to revive me? Oh yeah, you want some? Wait, look. Raise a cup. Look at
How? Possibly how?
you. Your body was like.
Yeah, I saw it.
I'll go the impossible way. I'm Nightmare Freddy. I don't feel so good. Oh where, oh where, oh where?
Hello?
Yellow.
Where are you?
Look, ready? Ready? Raise a yeah. Oh yeah! Raise a kaboom! Okay, I found a new duping method. Come. Do you have a rare item that I can dupe?
No.
Just give me one, bro. Just give me one.
But what if I don't wanna?
Well, I can just ban you from my call. My fault.
That would be a little sensitive of you.
Alright, guys, so I found a new
So,
duping method.
anyways, wants to see me fly across the multiverse. Do you do? Okay.
What I was talking about. What is it? Get your butt over here.
I'm under that seat.
Now, we need is a monkey backpack. No, come. I found a new duping method. I will give you.
I'm under that seat.
This is dupe. You're under the sea. Seriously. Are you serious? Stay here, guys. I'm Nightmare Freddy. I don't feel. Alright. No! Goodbye.
Voila.
Alright, look. I will. Where did the plum juice go? Where did the plum juice go? No, just leave it. That's a duping method. Where did the plum juice go? No.
I don't know.
Bro, that was an unreleased item. Oh my god. Oh, it's so oh my god. Why are you scaring me all the time? Alright, ready? Alright. Look, ready? Don't take that off. Look. It worked. One for you.
I look, you just ate it.
Wait a minute. Let me try. Alright, wait, hold on. Alright. Y'all wanna try? Wait, hold on. Let's both try at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Hold on, no. That's an unreleased item. We're not doing it. Alright, ready? 3, wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1. What did that do? Did nothing. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Alright. Thank you for
Make sure you-
watching. Don't forget
Make
to
sure you subscribe to me.
Yeah. She doesn't hurt it, so
Man, I'm gonna tickle your toes tonight, okay?
yeah.
Anyways, now I run this YouTube account.
Oh, you son of a! Give me a
I hope. Alright, guys, I took Bipper35's entire YouTube account.
Nah, you didn't!
So,
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next video. Her username, I will put it right up there. And tomorrow it's her birthday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.